Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this Venn diagram color wheel. We're going to draw 3 big circles that intersect to make like a Venn diagram. Then I'm going to show you how to paint the primary colors first and mix the secondary colors second. Tempera paint cake palettes. I prefer these to watercolor paint sets because these last a lot longer. They're just like liquid tempera paint that you would get in a bottle. All you have to do is add water to it with your brush. And here's what the cake looks like. A cup of water, a paper towel, a variety of brushes, a pencil. I will be drawing in marker so you guys can see it better. A large circle to trace. A piece of white paper. This is 12 by 18 inches. Put your paper horizontally on your table, and then you will need one of your circle stencils, a large one, to trace. You can use pencil or marker. I'm going to draw on Sharpie marker so it shows up better on the camera. We're going to put the circle at the top, like in the middle of the page. Bring it down a little bit. Hold it still with one hand and trace one large circle. Pick it up. You're gonna move it over here to the bottom right. Make sure that it's overlapping. Hold it still. Trace a second large circle. Move the circle stencil over to the left. Make sure that it's touching both of these circles here. Hold it still. Let's paint. First, I'm going to put yellow in this top section right here. I clean my brush off. Now I will put red in this section right here. Starting with the primary colors. I noticed I got a drop of red in the yellow, so I'm going to clean my brush and I'm going to try to wipe it off. And I will add a little bit more yellow paint to fix that mistake. The last primer I need is blue, and it's going to go in this bottom right section. Yellow, red, and blue, those are the 3 primary colors, the first colors. Now, where the 2 primaries intersect, that's where I'm going to paint and mix the secondary colors. So in this section here, I'm going to start by putting yellow paint first. Now I will mix red into the yellow. It's making orange. Now in this section, I'm going to mix yellow and blue to make green. I'm going to start with yellow. Now I will add blue. It's making a greenish color. I'm going to add some more yellow. You have to get the right balance of both primary colors. next color will be purple. We're going to mix red and blue together in this section. So I'm going to put red down first. I'm mixing blue into the red. Making a nice purple violet color. Now this last shape is where all the colors mix together, and it should make a really dark color, almost like a black color. So we're going to try it. First I'll put yellow. I'm adding red. Next is blue. I finished painting my color wheel. The primary colors yellow, blue, and red are shown larger, and where they intersect, they make the secondary colors. We have green here because yellow and blue mixed together makes green. Orange is right here in between yellow and red. When you mix them, they make orange. Then at the bottom, we have purple that is made by mixing red and blue. And then in the center, when you mix all of the colors together, you have a really dark color, almost like the color black. I hope you enjoyed making this Venn diagram color wheel with me today. Check out my other videos and please subscribe. Later.